I guess you and Annie are gonna have to duke out.
So Rebecca is my younger sister by 2 years.
Just to know she wanted to throw up.
Hefty. You take my robe.
The morning, chaotic. So far everything's been good, smooth.
It's Gina.
How was the morning so far? Was it good? Like exciting?
The morning's been great, very peaceful. We finished setting up. Everything's going according to plan so far, so I think it's gonna be a great day.
Christina, you look like a hospital patient. Yeah. And like not like the good hospital, like the crazy hospital.
So Becca and I met when we were 14 years old in high school. I know Rebecca. I've known her since middle school. We were cheerleaders together. I'm also good friends with her sister. We were cheerleaders in high school. We just throw Gina in there at one point.
It's me.
We hated each other for a little while. We got into a fist fight.
Well, actually, the first time I knew of Becca, I hated her because my best friend at the time hated her. So I went into high school knowing that I didn't like this girl.
I allegedly almost ran her over with my car. And I also got out and punched her in the face that day as well.
But then we ended up becoming friends because we're like the same person.
We've been best friends ever since. She's one of the craziest girls I know.
Very embarrassing.
So I met Becca. I'm best friends with Becca's sister Ashley. So we've known each other for years.
How do you feel? Good?
Yeah. Alright, so
you have to take the belt off, yeah.
Take the belt off, take it off.
Left this one. Now I gotta take it off because you ruined the belt party.
Well, yours matches the suspenders better than his does.
Oh shit. I'm terrible already.
It's alright.
It's nice with the suspenders. It really pulls the pants up the crack of your ass. It's good.
So Chris is our brother.
Yeah.
We met Rebecca when he told us on Christmas Eve that they were pregnant.
Yep. I'm not doing grooming.
No, you got mine, sir. Thank you.
So I'm gonna get him really quick.
Chris. Come on, Mary. You know how to do it? Landon, you're gonna break that. How are you teaching my kid how to open bottles, man? Put it there? God damn.
Oh, I know how to do it. Yeah. I've seen it happen before.
Yeah, I think last time I tucked it back into the suit. Like you can stab it back in there.
Good. Oh God, great! Get it on video. This is number 7.
Oh, hi. I'm just putting my breast pump in. I know Becca from my husband. They both went to middle school together. Chris is a great guy. He keeps Becca in line and stable, so they're a really perfect match.
Alright, touch noses for me.
Gay. Whose boat is this?
Ashley's. She docked it here.
Should we unanchor it and push it out?
Oh, yeah.
Juju.
Where's
Nana? Where's Nana? Juju, come on.
I'm not touching Mom. I'm not touching your mother. All right.
Chris, if she doesn't like that, Becca, take a step forward and go behind her. Go, take a step
All
forward.
right. All right.
And then Chris, go on the other side.
Boo.
Yeah.
I was surprised that she wanted to date a Suffolk County cop. The story that I know of how they met is Chris was bringing somebody into the hospital that he just arrested, and Becca was the nurse that was there, and they met there. He was bringing in a criminal and she was there to treat him.
Okay. Dipper or no kiss or?
No, you can kiss her. Whatever you're most comfortable with. Hold on. I'm gonna have you
Dip her to the side. Like
Your titties are out.
on the count of 3.
gorgeous.
Like this, yeah. I'm spinning you.
My advice to the happy couple is to not forget that you are a couple aside from parents. So make sure that you guys still have your date nights and you guys do things together.
My advice for Rebecca and Chris is, Chris, just say yes because you'll never fucking win.
All right, baby, let's do it.
Actually, I think I know this about 8.
Rolex?
Starts with a G, bro. Where do you go to school?
My reaction when Bex walks down the aisle is just gonna be so excited and happy and maybe cry.
I already know that the whole ceremony I'm probably gonna cry. Like, I'm hoping I make it down the aisle without crying. I am overly stressed about it because I just need my niece to behave. I just need Juju to behave.
I can't watch her walk down. I'm gonna fucking cry again. Okay, what? Juju! Juju! Jess, just pick her up.
When Rebecca walks down the aisle, because I'm her older sister, I probably will laugh. And it's not because I'm an asshole, it's just because it's Rebecca and I'm sure she's gonna do something very extra. Now eat it.
We are here on this beautiful day to participate in a most joyous occasion, to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. You two have shown what true love can do and have already overcome some of life's most difficult obstacles. Marriage is perhaps the greatest and most challenging adventure, besides parenting, which you've already tackled. Marriage must be built from love, patience, talking and listening, helping and supporting one another, learning to forgive and to appreciate your differences by making the important things in life matter and learning to let go of the rest. Chris, do you take Rebecca to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Rebecca, do you take Chris to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I sure do.
It is with great honor and joy to declare you joined in holy matrimony as husband and wife. Yeah. Chris, you may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Searles.
Landon, you're a bald sack.
Yeah. Landon, hold it. Landon.
Talking shit to my kid. You said the same thing I said.
I remember I'm mic'd up again.
You're so.
Oh, are you now?
Amber's hot.
Wait, what's my good side? Should I get on my left or my right?
That's a weird kid.
Hand over right hand, you know what that means? Like this.
Boom.
Like
Yeah.
that, kid. Dude, why is he rubbing his fucking balls on my ass?
Because he's weird.
That is the weirdest thing that happened to me all day. Everyone shut up.
Smithtown.
Smile at her over here.
Landon,
Smile nice.
look forward.
Smile nice, okay, bud?
If your balls are on my ass in any of these photos,
Chris, go stick a finger in.
Hi, baby.
Should be straight. 4 fingers in the pocket.
finger was
thumb
on
out.
my
this?
I was like,
ass.
did
Like
I
this?
say-
Yeah.
Pocket thumb out? Okay.
Ready.
You guys got a finger on my ass.
Yeah.
Come on this
I
side.
won't do any gay shit. I won't do any gay shit.
Okay.
Touch
Feet
him, though.
squared
Did
off
you
to
see
me,
that
so
shit?
everyone feet.
I won't do any gay shit.
Where we're going, facing
Yeah,
you?
feet facing me.
And what are we doing? In
Sunglasses
front?
on, do left over, right again.
Just
Smile
hold
with
on,
her teeth.
hold on.
Lips.
No, do
Everyone just shut up
Yo, Chris.
and take the fucking pictures.
Saying serious.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Are we smiling or not smiling?
No, she said no.
I think the night's gonna be great. It's gonna be perfect. The weather's beautiful.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it is an 11 shit show.
That wasn't a firm ass. That was a really tight pair of pants.
Oh, you
What buttons, but not all. You guys are, man.
It's gonna be good audio that she's capturing. No. This is a rental.
I'll shoot it right at you.
This is a rental. You paying to clean it?
So I'm literally going everywhere.
You just shake it and then
Shake
let
it
your
and
finger
point,
out.
Christina. You definitely
Yeah, move your finger over a little bit. Don't shake.
Jack it off. There you go.
That's not
You know what
shaking.
you're doing.
I'm a pro.
For sure. Every single person's probably gonna black out. It's gonna be a great time.
Let me get a lobster, please. Little prime rib, crab rangoon with the cream cheese. Glass of wine and some ice cream. Now I think I got brain freeze. Just got comped at the Orleans, up 20 grand. Now I'm chopping on green beans. The Jello mold's looking kinda all day. All day, yeah, we do this all day, all day, all day. Yeah, we do this all day. All day, yeah, we do this all day, all day, all day. Yeah, we do this all day.
I am looking forward to dancing because I will be on that dance floor from the time it starts to the time it's over, and I just want to do my speech and get it over with. So all I want to do is dance.
Jackson, you know, don't start till 4. So I'm going back for more. Tacos, nachos galore. At the buffet, I'm a conquistador.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of ass shaking and a lot of dancing. We're all cheerleaders too, so maybe some stunting later on.
I gotta say, we've been friends for a long time, and I didn't know if I was ever gonna be here. And it's not because I didn't think that he would choose me, it was because I didn't think anybody would choose him.
I'm not really surprised that I'm the one standing up here. And when I think about the definition of a best friend, I think we hit every mark. I just hope that today and every day after this is nothing short of amazing. You deserve this life, and I am so, so proud of who you became.
Seriously though, I'm super proud of the man he's become. It's been a big change, and I gotta give a lot of the credit to the woman right there on his left.
All day,